How to create Microsoft account on PC or laptop. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So for that, what you can do is directly head over to Microsoft Teams website. For that, head over and search for Microsoft Teams and head over to www.microsoft.com. Once you are there, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, you can directly look out for the sign in option at the top right corner and click on it. And it will lead you to the sign in page. So you can just go ahead and enter up your email address in order to sign in usually, but if you don't have an account, you can look out for this create one option right under this email phone or Skype section. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, it will lead you to another page. Now you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. You can look out for this sign in with a different account option if you don't have an account yet. So just go ahead and do that. And here you just need to go ahead and create up your account now. The first thing is you need to enter up your email address that you would like to use on your Microsoft account, your Google account. Just go ahead and type in it in here. After that, click on next and you need to verify your email after that. And then once your email is verified, you just need to go ahead and add up some details. For example, from which country you belong, and then your month, your date of birth, and your year as well. And then tap on next, click on next. Once that is done, provide your first name and your last name that you would like to use in your Microsoft account. And click on next again. And then once that is done, it will lead you to another page. Now from here, you need to prove that you're a human, solve the puzzle, and once this captcha has been proved, your account should be created on Microsoft account. And that's it. That is it for now. You may also follow the similar process in order to create an account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on another one.